What is up, guys? This is Lsaverftw here, back at it again with a brand new pickups video, and today we're gonna be talking about this sneaker boot right here, designed by Jerry Lorenzo, the man himself. This is a performance basketball sneaker. This ended up dropping at ComplexCon last week. I ended up paying market price, so shout outs to Omer if you're watching this video. So let's get on with some of the details of this sneaker right here. This is called the Amarillo colorway, and I think it's a Spanish word. The Spanish word, when you translate it, it does mean yellow, I assume. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and go over some of the details of the sneaker right here. We have this neoprene fabric right on the front of the sneaker. Near the toe area, we have this 3M hit. Moving to the side of the sneaker right here, we have this plastic cage with a mini swoosh on the upper, bringing in a perfect vibe for the spring summer. We have this mesh lining on the top, so it's extremely comfortable for your feet to move back and forth in. Beautiful color block with the yellow contrast on the laces. Moving down to the side, we have the Air Fear God print with the serial numbers. Also, we have this Air Zoom bubble in the blue tint colorway right on the midsole. Back of the heel right here, we have this Nike branding with Fear God printed right on the heel cup. And the last little detail of this shoe right here, we do have the zipper with the Fear God branding. Also the heel protector for the shoe right here, it does come in a beautiful suede patch with Air Fear God printed on there. On the bottom of the sole, we have this swirly pattern giving you ultra high performance when you're on the court and giving you some nice grips when you're walking on the streets. The left shoe is exactly the same thing. Also, it did come with some of the accessories, which it comes with a hang tag, some lace locks, and also another yellow lace. The lace locks are printed with the Air Fear God name, and it does come with 2 dust bags for the shoes. Lastly, this pair of sneakers right here does come in a traditional Air Fear God box. So that's pretty much it for this sneaker right here, and I do really dig this colorway, and I'm planning to get a lot of wears out of these things. I do have the Friends and Family colorway, the light bone on light bone. Also, I have the Friends and Family Diamond Canary Dunks that has a similar match to this colorway. So that's pretty much it with the sneakers right there. I also picked up a pair of these NBA Air Fear God tearaway pants right here, slightly oversized, so it is a baggy fit. Drawstrings down the middle with the lace lock, Air Fear God branding right on your fly, NBA branding right on the side of the pair of pants right here. We have this strap that goes on the ankles, and we have the buttons on the side of the pants. These pair of pants are the second release of the NBA pants, and I'm gonna go ahead and match these with the pair of Fear God ones that I purchased. Be sure to check out my Instagram page where you can find a lot of dope fit pics, also intel about sneaker releases. Lsaverftw signing out right here. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.